LinkedIn is for anybody who wants to take their professional life more seriously and connect with like-minded business professionals within their field. The features on LinkedIn is more specialized, so your content can be catered to professionals. LinkedIn is a platform used to showcase achievements and experiences of individuals, which also display a more in-depth resume. This platform is used worldwide to help broadcast individuals and connect them to various entities. LinkedIn is a network to connect like-minded individuals with professionals, companies, recruiters, and corporations. Yes, you definitely can. Be active on LinkedIn and always remain professional. Don't be scared to ask people to meet for coffee or get on the phone and ask questions. LinkedIn is definitely a platform that can help individuals grow professionally within their industry and beyond. Individuals must showcase their strengths, assets, interests, abilities, experience, and what they are seeking. Individuals can grow within LinkedIn by expanding their network, creating new connections, and being open to learning about new experiences. LinkedIn helps individuals who are seeking employment as well as individuals who are looking to advance their careers. It also helps professionals grow within their industry. It increases his or her exposure to a network of clients. The global outreach of this individual would be limited without it. If an individual does not use this service, their global outreach is limited because you don't look at the bigger picture. There might be companies out there that are looking for your skill set. The jobs that you personally apply for are the only jobs that you will get a response for. Your network, again, is limited. LinkedIn helps a skilled and talented individual by showcasing their accomplishments and assets to a broader range of professionals. It helps them network with the right individuals so they can accomplish their goals. They sell your LinkedIn profile to headhunters. They discover your profile and sell your profile to recruiters.